So today we are going to be making some biscuits, which I know people love them, but sometimes they can be a little tricky to make. They can either be too dry, too crumbly, but I got a really good recipe from Magnolia Table Cookbook that I know you guys are going to love, so let's go and do some baking. So the first thing we're going to do is mix together 4 cups of self-rising flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So next we are going to use 3 sticks of salted butter, and we are going to cut them into 1/2 inch pieces. So the next step is going to be to blend in the butter with our mixture, and for this it will be best if you have a pastry blender since it's going to make it a little easier, but since I don't have one, I'm going to do my best to just blend it all together with a fork. Next, I'm going to beat together 2 eggs in a separate bowl. So now I'm just going to add the beaten eggs into our mixture. So next we're going to mix in 1.5 cups of buttermilk. So after mixing all the ingredients together, you should end up with a pretty sticky mass. So next we are going to cover our mixture and we're going to place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes or overnight. Okay, now that our mixture has been in the fridge for about 30 minutes, I'm going to preheat the oven to 400. So now we are just going to cover our working area with plenty of flour. Now we are just pressing on our dough until it is about 1/2 inch thick. So we are going to line our baking sheet with parchment paper and have this ready, so we can place our biscuits in here before they go in the oven. So make sure to use all of your dough after you are done with the first ones. And this should be enough for about 20 biscuits, and when you are placing them on your sheet, they should all be touching each other. Going to mix together 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of buttermilk, and this is what we're going to use to brush our biscuits before they go in the oven. So now they are ready to go in the oven from 15 to 20 minutes. They are ready! Let's see how they came out. Gosh, they look so good and they smell so good. I can't wait to try them. Okay, now I'm finally going to try it. Oh my gosh, look at this. They are like they're so good. They're so good. They're like soft but crumbly, and the taste is amazing. I could eat like 20 of these. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your biscuits, and I will see you next time.